the division below Vodacom League. There's a chance here, kept in play, and well, there you go. 1-0. Moshekwi is in here. Oh, and he miscues, but it's still allowed. 2-0. Flag will be up for offside. No, it stayed down. 3-0. Flag stays down. Mampuru cuts it back. 4-0. Question here now is how many can Sundown score before the break? Yes, Moshekwi to make it 5. We've already got an Mpama. That goes already. As Mampuru gets it in. 6. Mampuru sets it up. The flag has stayed down. Henyekane will want a hat-trick first though. Moshekwi has his hat-trick. Could be more problems. Oh, wonderful save low. But what can he do to keep that one out? Power lines nil. Sundowns. Is it 10? Oh my word, it's 10. The destroyer in chief goes for more. Kekana once more. Takes a 4th. Just for fun. You see that this is... Now here's a chance again now for another goal. Moshekwi's got half a dozen. Also scored Sundowns 12. Oh my word. How cheeky is that? Here comes an opportunity for Moshekwi to make it 7. Henyekane gets a hat-trick. Chance here. Goodness me. He still wants a goal. Could be a chance here for another for Henyekane. Oh, here comes Henyekane. Cuts it across. Dominguez gets 2. Well, we're not showing the goal scorers because there could be another one here. Keepers all at sea. Oh no, here's another goal. And Johan Neskis has still got his game face on as there's a chance for Henyekane now. It's 19. It's all about the record books now as Dominguez looks to set up Henyekane. 20 up. It could be an opportunity here for more. Kekana still wants to score. Oh, what a finish. What have we got? Or is it 5? He comes again. Oh, sufficient. Henyekane, stop the slaughter. No, I won't. Kekana gets a 7. So another chance for Kekana. Generously hands it over to Leboham Mokoena. The slaughter has ended. It's Powerlines FC 0. Mamelodi Sundowns 24.